Hello friends, welcome to the part 2 of chapter 3. In this video we will discuss some extra questions of chapter 3 which is important for term 1 examination of CBSE class 10th. We will discuss problem number 6. We have already discussed 5 problems in previous part. Here problem number 6 is the pair of linear equation 4x minus 5y minus 12 is equal to 0 and 10y plus 20 is equal to 8x is consistent, cannot say, inconsistent, or none of this. Let's see the solution. The given pair of linear equation 4x minus 5y minus 12 is equal to 0 and minus 8x plus 10 plus 20 is equal to 0. On comparison, the standard form of pair of linear equation we get a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to minus 5 and c1 is equal to minus 12 from here, and a2 is equal to minus 8 and b2 is equal to plus 10 and c2 is equal to 20 from here. After taking value of a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, we get a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. That shows the given pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Problem number 7 says the value of k for which system of linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 5x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0 is consistent. We have to find the value of k at which these linear equations are consistent. Here are the 4 options. Let's see the solution. The condition that system of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the system of linear equations. Two systems of linear equation is inconsistent. The condition for the system of linear equation to be inconsistent is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. And let's check here what is the value of a1 and what is the value of a2 and what is the value of b1 and b2 and c1 and c2. Let's compare the value of a1, a2 and b1, b2 from this equation. I've written the equations here. Here we can see a1 is equal to 1 from here and b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to minus 3. 3 will go in left hand side and a2 is equal to 5, b2 is equal to k and c2 is equal to 7. Here b2 is equal to k. There is a mistyping here, so I have written it b2 is equal to k and c2 is equal to 7. From equation 1, we have to check that a1 upon e2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. We have to see that. Let's put a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 in this, and we can see that a1 upon e2 is equal to 1 upon 5, b1 upon b2 is equal to 2 upon k is not equal to c1 upon c2 is not equal to minus 3 upon 7. We have to compare these two equation. 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon k, and we can see that 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon k. This shows k is equal to 10, so we have the option of 4 that is correct. Let's see problem number 8 now. In problem number 8, the question is that two numbers are in ratio 5:6. If 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 4:5. Then the numbers are. In the question, there is given that two numbers are in ratio of 5:6. If 8 is subtracted from both the numbers, then the ratio becomes 4:5. Then we have to find the number. Let's see the solution. In the solution, we have taken that let the two numbers be x and y. Then by the first condition, that is 5 is to two numbers in ratio 5:6, x is to y is equal to 5:6, and we can write that x upon y is equal to 5 upon 6. That is y is equal to 6x upon 5. From here we get that y is equal to 6x upon 5. From the second condition, we have it is given that if 8 is subtracted from both the number, the ratio becomes 4 upon 5. If x is subtracted from both the numbers, it will give that x minus 8 upon y minus 8, and the ratio becomes 4 is to 5, that is 4 upon 5. On multiplying cross multiplying here, we get 5x minus 40 is equal to 4x minus 32. And after rearranging the variables and constants, we get 5x minus 4y is equal to 8. And now put the value here, the value we got y is equal to 6 upon 5, we put that y in this equation, and we get that x is equal to 40. And after putting x in this equation, we get y is equal to 48, and that's the solution. The two numbers are 40 and 48. The option number 3 is correct. Let's see problem number 9 now. In the problem 9 says, if 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 10, then find the value of x, y and y. In this question, we simply solve these both equations and we'll find the value of x and y and then subtract it. Let's see the solution. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. Multiply both equation by 3. Multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 2, and we get here, we can see that we get here 6x, and also by multiplying by 3 we get here 6x, and multiply by 2 we get here also 6x, and after subtracting them we can eliminate 6, and we can eliminate x here, and we get 6x plus 9y is equal to 15 after multiplying 3 in this equation, and we get 6x plus 4y is equal to 20 after multiplying 2 in this equation, and subtracting both the equation we can get y is equal to minus 1, and putting y in this equation we get x is equal to 5, and after we get x and y, we can find x and y, x minus y very easily. 4 minus minus 1, that is 5 is the correct answer. Let's see problem number 10. Problem number 10 says 6 years hence a man's age will be 3 times the age of his son, and 3 years ago he was 9 times as old as his son. The present age of the man is. After 6 years, the man age will be 3 times the age of his son, and before 3 years, the man age is 9 times the age of his son. We have to find the age of man. Let's see the solution. In the solution, we have taken the present age of man as x years and present age of his son as y years. 6 years hence, it means after 6 years, the age of man will be x plus 6 and the age of son is y plus 6. According to the question, x plus 6 is equal to 3 times of y plus 6. That is, after 6 years, the age of the man will be 3 times the age of his son. And according to this condition, we get x plus 6 is equal to 3 times y plus 6. And after substituting the after mm, after transferring the constants and the variables, we get x minus 3y is equal to 12. 3 years ago, man says is x minus 3, and the son says y minus 3. According to the question, 3 years ago, the man was 9 times as old as his son, and putting this condition, we get x minus 3 is equal to 9 times y minus 3, and after transferring the variables and constant, we get x minus 9y is equal to minus 20. We got two equation. Now we'll solve them. Uh, After eliminating x by subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get y is equal to 6, and after putting y in in any of the equation, we get x is equal to 30. So the age of man is 30 years and age of son is 6 years. Thank you for watching video. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.